Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change handwriting font in Windows 11. So let me show you. Go to the bottom on Start, right click, and then click Settings. Then when you're gonna do it, click Bluetooth and Devices, and right here when you're gonna be in Bluetooth and Devices, you want to click Pen in Windows Ink. And then use your handwriting, click on arrow, and then you get like two fonts here. So this is how you do it, and this is how you can change the handwriting font in Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching, and yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.